beautiful people, wonderful people, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new week and welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, hello, my name is Precious and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber living in Abia State and schooling at Abia State University. So this whole vlog is going to be centered around Abia State University. It's going to be taking place here in school, okay? So please subscribe if you enjoy my type of content, all right? And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know how I feel about you guys. I love you so much. You have no idea, and I appreciate you every time, every day for the love and support. God bless you for me. Mwah. So guys, I am attempting to film a week in my life, okay? So I don't even know how this week is going to look like, but I'm going to take you guys along with me through all of it, okay? So my friend Dara is here. I think she'd like to show her face. So
okay, I'm coming.
oh god, why is this girl such a clown? All right, yeah, Dara is here with me and we don't have any lectures for today.
Dara in the building.
Where are you from, Sam? This girl. So we don't have any lectures today, but we are going to the school library to read a few things. Hi guys, I am so sorry. I've been so busy all day. Gosh, I haven't had the time to vlog. Yeah, I just got back home and I still haven't met the deadline that I set for myself today. So let me just quickly, I'm almost there, or I was almost there before nightfall came. So I just decided to come home and then quickly do it, because once I take my bath I'll be so relaxed and I might not have the motivation to continue. So I'm trying to continue that right now, okay, while I use this toothpick to eat my fried yam. I bought fried yam on my way back, so I'll use the toothpick to eat my fried yam and then I'll be ready so that the oil doesn't stain my notes, okay? So guys, this is what the phone looks like. Yeah, this is how it comes, and yeah, this is that pink thing that you used to bring out your SIM and the memory card. So yeah, I guess this is the pouch and all the user manual, user guide, and the warranty card. So this is the pouch. This is the pouch. This is the pouch. The pouch that comes with the phone. So yeah, this is the phone itself. Yeah. This is the phone itself. It has a 16 MP quad camera, 30 watts fast charge, Super Dragon. I don't know anything about technology, so please pardon me, okay? My excitement cannot allow me to read all of these things. How did they open it, please? How did they open it? Like this. I think you open it from this side. Okay, so you tear it open, and yeah, oh my god, it's so pretty. Can you guys see? I don't even know, my lighting is so bad, please pardon me. It's so pretty, guys. Yeah. The back is so glossy. I don't know what to say with the soundtrack. The back is so glossy. I don't know.
The back is so fine.
Yeah, the back is so glossy and fine. So I think you put it inside the pouch so that they can still see the back regardless of whatever. I think I have to peel out this thing safe. Yeah, you have to take this thing out because it's even easy to remove. So you just remove it and put it like this. And yeah, we have a new vlogging camera. Yeah, and small. This is what this one is like. This is the charger. This is the cord for the charger. So where's the earpiece coming? There's no earpiece. Hey, there's no follow come earpiece though. Thank you so much, mommy. I love you. Thank you for always coming through for me. Mwah, you're the bestest. I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. I didn't expect this. I thank God for provision and for everything. Everything is just so perfect right now. I'm so happy. This phone, I tried everything I could to make my microphone work with this phone, but it was just refusing. You guys, this is the camera, the front facing camera of this particular new phone. I don't know, but this is what I'm going to be vlogging with now. But I feel there's a lot of attention to detail. Like now you guys can see all the spots on my face, and yeah, but it's still better though. Okay guys, I just changed to the back camera, and this is the view from the back camera. Okay, this is what the back camera's quality looks like, and isn't it amazing? Can't you see the difference? The back camera's quality is way better than that of the front, but the two of them, they are both way better than that other phone, obviously. So with this phone, like I said, the microphone works with this phone, so I would like to try out the microphone so that you guys will see the difference, if you can tell the difference in the sound quality. Oh my god, whenever this lapel mic is over here, I feel like a professional YouTuber. Yeah, I feel like a professional YouTuber right now, because now I can use my microphone. When you were having the time of your life. When she starts her YouTube channel. So hi guys, my name is Precious and welcome to Dara's Corner. In it Angel, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
My name is Angel.
Aw.
Follow me on Instagram, Los Angel. I love you guys.
Wow.
Don't they enter YouTube?
You cannot escape. You've already entered. No need. That try is done. Okay. Let's try for this.
For this weekend, the action continues. Arsenal will start the business. Arsenal will start the business.
You guys, if I tell you what the time is right now, the time is already 12 p.m. and I'm just getting up from my bed. Don't judge me, please. Don't blame me. Thank you. The day has been a very dull day because it rained all day and all night yesterday, so the weather has been so chilly. And she brought cake for me, oh. Let's not forget about it. Hey babies, I am done getting ready. I've taken my bath and I'm about to go up gates to go and look for food with my friends. So yeah, let's go. Let's go now. Start now. Hungry faces, we came to buy food, they are not around.
Jesus Christ, the hunger in the land is real.
Man, do you still pierce yeah?
You want to cry? Please help me out. My tripod just broke. If you have any plug that sells this particular type of foldable mini tripod, please link me up. Okay, I really need a new one because this tripod helps me a lot with my vlogs.
Hello guys, we are ready for church right now. It's Sunday morning, obviously, so we're going to church and yeah, we're ready right now. Okay, so we'll see you later when we are in church or when we want to show you our full outfit. Till then, ciao.
Yes, you have entered my YouTube channel today.
Let me see you walk.